Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to the Windows rescue protection found corrupt file was not unable to fix. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, after first of all in the search box type of PowerShell. Open Windows PowerShell, right click run as administrator. After opening that, type of command is repair dash Windows image space dash online space dash restore health and press enter. After completing that, type a exit and exit the administrator PowerShell. And after doing this step, restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.